Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be using the bimmercode app to code the 535i daytime running lights for the rear. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to try to screencast my bimmercode app on here on the video as well. So basically, to get started, what you're going to do is load the bimmercode app and go into rear electronics module footwell. So the reading coding data has loaded up. If you go in this car, for this car, what you're going to notice is you're going to see daytime running lights, but usually you can see inner and outer. But this 535i, the 2015, we only see daytime running lights mode. So we're going to take it off from rings without taillights to rings and taillights, US Xeon, because this does not have the LED package. Once you click that, click OK, and then code the car, start coding, give it a couple of seconds. Essentially, once this is successful, what we see is we should see this come on and this piece as well come on, the 3 LED strips. It's done about 50%, it's finishing coding and resetting the ECU. So now if you notice, the front daytime running lights are on and the rear daytime running lights are on both sides of the car. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. We'll be back. Thank you.